Okay, good morning Mama Berna. Enjoying my coffee. Wow, ganda pala ng room natin dito. Laki-laki ah. Ano to? This is the Hampton. Meron pa siyang office table, oh. Wow, such a big room. Buti na lang nabigyan tayo ng upgrade. Look at this, how big. It's a corner room with all the views of the city. Ano ba makikitang view dito? Ayun, yung tulay. And in front is the beautiful lake of Zhujiang. Ayan na ang papasyalan namin here in China. Oh, laki, no? Quite a big room for just two of us. Ayan ang mga pinagsasampay namin ng mga clothes. Oh, tapos yan. Ikot tayo. Oh, laki nga talaga. Maybe a 60 to 80 square meter room. Okay, let's go for breakfast. Right. Madala kaming tubig just to make sure. Isang kasi walang tubig. Mama Berna, panay kasi hot water sa China, di ba? Yan, hindi pa naman sanay yung lalamunan ko sa hot water. Yan, may restaurant pala siya on the 5th floor. Hawak-hawak mo yung tubig natin. It's breakfast time. Uy, mga boiling hot yung mga pagkain niya. Uy, dami palang food dito sa Hilton Hampton. Yes, this is just a 4-star hotel, but looking good, huh? Lots of choices for food. So now we have to look again for our reserved tables and seats. There, yan na. Okay, so this is going to be our breakfast. Always with eggs. That's good for energy. Oh, salamat sa fruits ko, Mama Berna. Okay. Ano yan? Pork yan, Berna? Pork? Okay. May egg tart na naman. Very good. Sarap yan. Akin isang egg tart, ha? Parang may egg tart ni McDonald's. Ito gusto ko, lagi may sweet potatoes. Ito pala, hindi kay McDonald's, kay Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay.